We're gonna be able to move this, right? Hi! Hi! Hi, welcome to my shop. We're waiting on people, but it's still... So I thought I didn't have a bike to change oil, but my Sporty, Richard, he needs an oil change. So we're gonna be doing oil change on him and talk about a little bit of like how we need to do maintenance on our bikes and get to know our bikes. What up? Hi guys. Hi. I miss you too. We had to come to Tennessee and say hello. Hopefully come to the handbill show, please. Hi guys. Hi. Say hi. So I just went to our local dealership, Harley dealership here, and since I put this last time, I didn't get the synthetic. I just got the normal one. But get oil, just get the same one. Recommend just to use the same one that you've been using all the time. If you're gonna change to synthetic or vice versa, just keep using that one and don't switch all the time because that's not good on your engine. So let's so I got 3 of this. Yes, look how cute she is. Live. So Rich is gonna get an oil change. I got 3 of this. There are 3 quarts each, and I also got did it work?
I have another thing that needs to be tightened. I can't reach it.
Okay, I'll help you. And then we got a filter. Okay, so Harley's, every single bike is different how you change the oil. Like for example, this Honda, the oil comes from here, this little nut, you see that? So you'll need a tool to do that, to open this and, like drain your bike. So that's different because in Harley's, we're going all the way down. Harley's, you will see, so you see this little, that is a little, it's only like a ring hose and a hose that they're like strapped to this thing, and probably that's why they're always leaking. But that's how we are gonna drain our bike. So let's, and things, so get like something to put your oil, like the drain your oil in. If you don't have like something like this, you can like literally get one of those like $2 at the, or like a 99-cent stores, those things for like the chicken birds, like on Thanksgiving. You can use that. They're kind of flimsy, so be very careful. Do not trash your oil in any what you call it, the drain. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. Drain, because it's not good for the ocean, and also it's not, you're polluting. So what you want to do is put it in a container. I have this. Actually, I have oil from the last oil change. I have this, but you can get you can actually get some sort of like a big juice jug, and then just put all of your extra oil, and you can take it to like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or one of those shops, and they will recycle for you for free. So just keep it and then take it to one of those places so that you are doing something for the environment and also like do things correctly. Alright, so if you don't have this, just if you have like any container, just use a jug. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna drain this. Also, if you have a Harley, I have a tool for the filter.
You keep the old bottles.
Oh yeah, that too, and the old bottles. So yeah, that's a good idea. So Haley has a good point. If you keep the old oil bottles, you can use them for later and fill them up. So if you're new at motorcycles and you want to check on your oil, just Where is my rag? Let me get a rag to get a correct reading. Actually, I did that like. I have a bunch. Here, I have a bag of rags that I need to wash. So go and check on your oil, and always try to keep it to the line. So on Sporties, it's a little. You turn this, push it, and then clean this up. I'm gonna put it down so I can use my hands. There you go. There you go. All right, so clean it up. Put it back. Push down. And then, see, I have 0. It says 0. Hold on. Oh, shit. Sorry. I'm almost dropping things out. Hey, what's up? What? Hi. Listen. Huh? Oh, I just got in. Thank you. But you can come in and help me if you want to get greasy.
Always gotta get greasy.
So yeah, like see, I have no oil. Maybe that's why I was kind of like acting up. Don't do this. Learn from me. Do not do what I'm doing. Alright, let's do this. Let's change oil. Look who's here. Hi.
Hola.
What were they doing?
Putting an engine guard on. I don't care. Baby needs the what is it called? Oh, I got this.
Was it?
Yeah, I got it for a while.
Did they fix
What do they
those
call
too?
it? The training wheels. Baby
Really
needs training
tough.
wheels.
Baby-
No. He
Training
told me
wheels.
though, all we need is a bushing. He said that's all that.
So we're
That's
putting
why it
this.
goes down.
Let
This
me
little
show you.
Rubber thing.
Jackie says hi.
Hi, Jackie. Hello. Yeah, so all of
Sending kisses. Alright guys, so get down on your bike. If it's a Harley, you will see. I'm gonna go closer. Yeah. So I'm trying to like. So if you're gonna change on your Sporty or your Sport or Fat Bug, so you see that this little thing, that's where your clamp is, and this is what we'll have to unscrew. And basically we're gonna open this and then let it drain. I don't know if it's. I just show them how different it is from. It's gonna come, so be careful.
Did you warm up your bike?
Huh? No, I didn't.
Should you? Yeah.
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
It'll help the oil flow faster.
Oh, that
It's
makes
the
sense.
same.
From the heat.
Yeah, dude. I was running around all day today.
I feel like that's you every day.
I know. I just got like extra, like a couple other like clients.
Gotcha.
Listen, I'm just like
And how often should you do this?
every. Is it like
Look at
depends on the
your
oil too,
manufacturer.
like
Is it-
3,000 or 6,000?
3,000? Okay, I think mine says 5.
Yeah, but if it's is it like
Average is about 5,000.
what is the other one? If
There's
it's-
conventional.
Yes, and
there's
then
synthetic.
synthetic.
And then,
If it's synthetic, I think it's 6.
like synthetic can go for longer.
Alright, so there you go. Let it drain, and then damn. Alright. So this is when you're gonna need aluminum foil. Get some aluminum foil. Harley has this one tool that you can put under your filter, and you can use it like to drain. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna show you what we do. Damn, it's so many dog hair. I'm sorry, guys. Look at that. So you were gonna get. So you have a filter. It kind of looks the same, I think, probably. And you're gonna need like a tool like this. Okay. And you're gonna go here and take it off. The thing is, when you open it, it's gonna have oil on it, and you don't want to get it all over. So instead of buying the tool from Harley, it's like $20, but still, you can just do this in here, and then just let it drain into your can. Probably double it because it's too empty. So yeah. So when that's drained and this is empty out, you just change it, and then get your quarts of oil and start put one at a time slowly, because it's what's that? It has oil, so sorry. Yeah. Do it slowly. My bike it was not on and it was not warm up, but once you warm up, the oil will be more liquidy and it will expand. So just go easy, don't overdo it. Once I put extra and it overflow, and it was like my first time I ever did it, like years ago, because I thought I could do it, and of course I did it, but still I had to buy so much cat, what is that called, the
litter
too, so that I could cover like my garage and my house. This was actually in Venice, in LA, so that was like that was a good experience learning changing oil. So anyways, I will record the second part and then I'll post all of this so that you see then. Hi. All right, say hi to everybody. Hi.
Hi.
This is what girls do.
Yeah.
Yay. All right. Thank you. Oh, thank you for joining. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And let's do.
Go back to bed. I wake up with the freaks.
Let's do the last part of the change. Okay.
I don't want to touch it.
What? Is it done?
Yeah, it's done.
In the ER twice because
It's just dripping. When it's like that, I tighten it back up, and then I'll move this over to the filter, and then it can like drip into the filter. But I crack the filter.
so she's like the worst.
You already fucked up your hands.
I don't like it.
You already dirty your hands. I'm gonna save you from doing it.
I mean, you can do it if you want to.
You can't do it.
I cried once.
I know, right?
You're just like
So that is empty now. And now, yeah, who's recording your ass? Who's recording your ass?
Thanks.
It's a beautiful ass. Alright, so it's pretty much done. And what we want to do is look at my eagle. So, hi Philip. So it's pretty much go baby go. It's empty, so we're gonna put back the plug. It's a plug that goes inside the hose. So you go here, and then we tighten back the ring hose. So, I don't know if you can see it.
the VP says, and I relate.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I like it. I've been doing it for. I
dropped in the
started
pants?
as an
Yes.
assistant editor.
She needed a challenge. That's what
I want it to look really greasy. Oh my fucking
So
god.
I came
Okay.
from photography, from full photography, and I
Oh shit, oh
bullshit
shit.
my way until like 11.
Ah.
So I was like, I bullshit my way into
So it's kind of like a plug.
I'm like, oh my god.
Like the thing is like a little plug, and then you just put it inside the hose and tighten it up.
That's nice. So you kind of work on your own.
What's wrong with me?
It's gonna land in the pants.
I mean,
I always if I don't like it.
it's getting like full of like hairs too, so
I'm like,
it's kind of fun. And then you just like clip it back, and that's it. So like next thing is to get the filter, and for that you move your pan this way, because we're gonna make dirt. We're gonna like empty that thing. Ugh. Hold on. Where is my? Thank you, Mom. I think it's good enough. Should I do more thicker?
I would just rub it underneath because it's gonna break up the steel. It's gonna leak up the steel.
Like this way too.
Yeah.
Last time I got it all over everywhere. Nope.
no ball.
Righty tighty.
Left loosey.
I'm like the other one. I was too bad.
I was double checking too.
It's okay, baby.
I believe. You believe what you can achieve.
Do you know what I mean?
More leverage.
Yes.
Physics.
gonna say maybe a
Hey.
Physics.
What are their names? Philip?
That's Philip. That's Ripley.
Ripley?
Let's repeat. Yeah.
The dark one's Moose. The other one's Snowball. I'm not here often, you guys.
Snowball makes it.
Her favorite color is.
Your favorite snack actually is on my pocket.
I promise no details.
Oh my gosh.
But she's like, she's fun.
The snuggle bug.
Is that good? Good or not? No. But maybe this. How do I do this? Help. Yeah.
Oda, do you have an extender?
Oh yeah, I do have this. That's what size is that?
Do you have a longer?
Yeah. I don't know what the 14.
I think I have a longer one.
I think this is.
I think it's too big. It's too big? I have another one. I have to. Do you want to do the other one?
Is that a
Yeah, it's
bone?
not catching.
Is it
too
bone or rock?
Yeah, get the red one.
It's right here.
Oh, it's over here. Cause this is a
Maybe use this.
74 millimeter. So you got like a 72 or 73.
Yes. I know that I have a smaller one of those too.
What does it say on the filter box?
No working?
What are you eating? Is it a bone? Better be bone. Déjame ver. Sí, mire. Tiene una piedra.
You got it?
Piedra que te rompe los dientes.
This is too small.
But isn't it adjustable though?
It's bone.
No, cause it'll get tighter like that.
As
So
you
this
pull
is it needs to be a bit bigger. Slightly bigger.
Where is it? I know I have another one of this. Hold on, let me see. You see, when you move and you don't know where your shit is at. So I'm like, because we did the other oil change. There. Not just pet food. What's the name of that store? Amazon?
You should.
Oh, are you using it? Great.
You got it.
Where else can I have that? Help.
I want to see. Dame.
Extra shed. I don't know why I have extra shed. I know. Like I literally when I packed on the rush.
I got it.
You got it.
You got it?
We're behind the.
Haley to the rescue.
Yay!
Nice.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Let me see. I want to see.
Oh, sorry.
what you're eating. Let me see how you're feeling.
It seems like it made her rock all the time.
All the time. No, that's right. Like she.
Oh no, that's a
It's a bone. Okay, you can have them.
But she eats rocks. She's the one that's always with her ear.
So oil pans, y'all,
She will
they're gonna have
love everything.
these little notches, and in the filter, you can place it there,
Yes.
so it can better drain, and then you don't have to get everything that's dirty.
Good job.
Yeah, teamwork.
Yeah, thank you. Do you want to wash your hands? I need to get
The orange thing.
Yeah.
It's not good.
No, it's like a soap, and it's very pretty, so it like absorbs.
Once it's
I
done,
thought Gugon makes it.
we'll put another filter.
I don't know.
We still have like a whole month, so we're good.
So then,
put it on.
these fuckers, they go ahead. They
Some
don't
put
know
it-
what we
I didn't
do,
put anything.
but
Some
they
people
go
do.
combine that shit and call it cookie two-step. I was like, damn, they coming for me.
So that's pretty. See that? It's pretty empty, and we're gonna do this. Don't get your oil in your concrete because it's a pain in the butt. And then just turn it and then tighten it up. Oh, thanks, Mom. It's good. Thank you, Mom. There you go. There you go. And that's it. And then we'll start putting some oil on your.
Where's your funnel? You don't need a funnel?
A what?
A funnel.
Oh yeah, I have a funnel. Here. Look.
Let's not make a mess.
I do have a funnel. Let me clean the funnel. Okay, bye. You get like a little sticky. Put it somewhere you can see it for next service due. You put it here and check on your mileage. And then this is the new filter.
So, do you take it all the way off?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I like taking it all the way off. So, it's just
Do
an
it your
O-ring,
way.
it's just a gasket.
Mhm.
And then you can either dip it in or just take your finger and then you just coat the new gasket with the new oil. And that's just going to create a better seal around the filter. There you go. Get all there. And then make sure it should sit flush.
Yeah, it's not dripping.
There you go. And now your new filter is all prepared.
Yeah. Some people actually put like a tiny little bit there. If you
Yeah.
want to, you can put a tiny little bit just for starters, and then just after that go back and put it in its place. Oh no. There we go. Funnel meat oil. Oil. And because it's not warm, I will do 1.5. Turn on the bike, and then do the other one. And that's it. That's how you change your oil. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for teaching us.